Hi there, and welcome to your DIY demo kit. This kit is designed to show you the features of Blackline Safety's G7 system. By using this kit, you can test out the features of G7 that you're most interested in. Let's get started. In your case, you will find the DIY demo kit guide, G7, charging accessories, calibration accessories, and other supplementary documentation. The G7 demo kit guide will walk you through the steps that you can take to test G7. Think of it as your tour guide for this demo. First, you'll need to set up your Blackline Live organization. This will involve creating an account in the Blackline Live portal, team members, alert profile, and configuration for your G7. These steps are outlined in your demo kit Getting Started guide. Once you're finished that, give our customer care team a call to activate G7. Don't worry, this won't take long, and they will give a quick double check to your profile, can turn on 24/7 live monitoring for you, and answer any other questions you may have. Now you're ready to start testing. Turn G7 on and check out some of its features. Wear it regularly through your everyday shift. You can test out some of the features outlined in the DIY demo guide. Want to see what else G7 can do? We've put together a video that outlines more of what G7 and Blackline Live are capable of. Check it out if you want to do a more in-depth test of our system's features. When you're finished testing G7, return it and its charging accessories, calibration accessories, and documentation to the case. Your sales or distribution representative will pick it up and review your demo results with you. As always, if you ever need any help or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer care team. Happy demoing!